Okay, so once the duct tape or the plastic has dried with the crazy glue, then you want to get yourself some duct tape, and you're going to make a duct tape hinge using very little pieces. Just going to place it right over on it.
Just don't go in the window with it. About get it on there straight.
All right, now the duct tape that we're using is some pretty durable duct tape. Okay, so I've decided that I want my door to open the other way, so I switched it over onto this one here. Now you want to put some crazy glue all around there and then clip it together. Don't let the duct tape get like touched on anything that's going to help it, where it's going to clog it up to keep it from sticking.
Yeah, and then we'll sandwich them together.
And get some clamps and keep it nice and snug. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put some crazy glue on there all the way around it. The other side. We're going to go right around this edge here.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Shit, it really came out of there fast.
And you want to do it on the one that doesn't have the glass on it. That way when you go to smear it out with your stick, you're not going to accidentally rub it on the plastic. Alright, so now we're going to sandwich them together. Make sure you have it nice and even before you have them stick, because it's going to stick pretty quickly.
Just rub it against the table so they come out even. That way you only have to worry about the top and your bottom.
Now this is not balsa wood. If you're using balsa wood, do not put these clips directly on your wood. Because what's going to happen is it's going to ruin your wood. It's going to leave impressions of the actual clips. Alright, now you want to let that dry. And remember not to let your duct tape touch anything that's going to get on there to where it won't stick. Alright, so we're going to let it dry and we'll be right back. Alright, so we have lots and lots of clips on there because you want to make sure everything is nice and tight, snug all the way around. Alright, and when you're done with this part, before you put it in there, if you want to muck up your glass and make it look scratched or anything like that, you can always use sandpaper to do that.